what do you call is this, more steps as you can this area, no, like this, no more steps, but here our the first things to down here, no, mga kaibigan, here I think all of these, mga kaibigan, are I think it's more than 3,000 steps if I'm not mistaken, like this, no. It's a very nice place here in Tagum City, mga kaibigan, as you can see, no? As you can see, mga kaibigan, that the voice of those birds is very normal. There is no cut for this video, mga kaibigan. Yun. It is very nice place here in Tagum City, as you can see, no. Just go up, no, just go upstairs, mga kaibigan. It's more uh, yun, mga kaibigan, no, alam nyo kasi patungo tayo doon, saka tayo, no. Paunat-unat tayo ng it is more steps, mga kaibigan, at saka may landing dyan. Yun, tingnan yung baba. As you can see, it's very nice place, no? It's very nice place, mga kaibigan. It's a very nice place here in Tagum City, mga kaibigan. As you can see, yun, yung hagdanan na yan, yun, as you can see, mga kaibigan, it's very nice place. Thank you so much, Almighty Father who art in heaven. Mga kaibigan, pasubida na punta, no. It is a protected area of Tagum City. Yun, masyadong mainit na talaga. It's so very hot. Even there's a lot of trees here, but still, no, still very hot pa rin, no, mga kaibigan, as you can see here. There is a lot more things to do here. Like say for example, si Mrs. nandyan sa itaas. Ayaw niyang bumaba dito. Yun. Yun, mga kaibigan. Subida na ta. Yun. Kapoy yun siya diri, mga kaibigan. Kailangan kayo mong agian, no? Yun. Say hi. So, wala si Mrs. Tingnan nyo. Doon tayo galing kanina. Yan. Ngayon, pasaka na ta. Jogging mo na to. Ang layo na, mga kaibigan, no? Yun, diba? Sarap, mga kaibigan. Kasi here, botanical is one of the protected area here in Tagum City, no, mga kaibigan. Nana sila? Be? Nana? Nana ba sila?
Hindi ka naabot.
Tapos baba.